Alright you guys, so in order to change out on your battery on your 2017 Ram 1500, pretty straightforward. I already got mine out of here, but I'll show you guys what I did first right here. First, I came to this right here and I loosened this nut right here, as well as the one back there on my negative cable. They're going to be a size 10, or at least on my truck they are. From there I was able to wiggle the connections off and kind of put them off to the side like that. And then my battery had this insulation mat kind of around it. It slid down from over the top of it, so I had to pull out the whole battery to get this off of here. So now I have a new battery. We're going to be putting it in. We'll put this back on there, and then we'll get our connections made up, and we should be good to go. Now you're also going to have this tie down, this hold down here at the bottom. That's going to be holding in your battery. Again, it's a size 10, or at least on my truck it is, so just want to make sure you pull that out in order to get your old battery out and reinstall it when you put in your new battery. Now you want to be careful when you're connecting this. When you're moving your ratchet around, you don't want to tap anything metal, especially on the positive side right here. So just take your time and just be careful with it. Alright you guys, so that is all there is to it.